Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use your volume up button to answer a call. So if you want to set your volume up button to answer a call, then let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see accessibility. From here, find interaction and dexterity. Now from here, find answering and ending calls. Tap on this. From here, find press volume up to answer calls. So go ahead and turn this feature on. So now when you get a call, you can use the volume up button to answer a call instead of pressing or swiping up on a call. So there you go guys, that is how to answer calls using the volume up button on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.